What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage and the EPA. That's right, the Environmental Protection Agency is going to allow emission deletes and no DEF. Here comes the emissions rollback. Told you so. What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. After the presidential executive order, Lee Zeldin did come out. They had 30 days to come out with a roadmap of where they were going to be on emissions. And today, I was watching Maria Bartiromo on Sunday Morning Futures, and I then saw like several Instagram posts from popular diesel YouTubers and Instagrammers that all said the same thing, that the EPA is going to allow emission deletes. That means you can completely remove a DEF system off a diesel truck. You'll be able to remove catalytic converters off your car. You can remove EGR valves. You can remove all of the crap that causes problems with engines and maintenance nightmares off of your vehicle. And shops, that's the key here, will be able to do that without the risk of being persecuted by the government, fined by an agency that has no constitutionality to be able to do so, and it will absolutely change the automotive landscape for those that follow along. What does that mean? Well, what it means is you could go buy a brand new Duramax at GM, a Duramax truck, and immediately take it to a shop and delete the entire DEF system, which means better mileage, better reliability, less issues. This is exciting news. This is absolutely exciting news. If you don't follow Lee Zeldin on social media, I recommend that you do it. He is the new director of the EPA, and it makes me laugh as it looks like we're going to see a revolutionary change in the way not just emissions is handled, but how vehicles are built. And I am extremely excited to see the future of where we're going to be once we don't have to worry about, oh, I got to go buy this stuff at $4 a gallon to put this liquid crap in my car, which causes issues with the intake and causes issues with this EGR crap, and all of that gone. No DPF filters, no nothing. You can delete all of it. And this is huge news. It will be interesting to see. Now, I know you're going to say, well, TK, it's not in stone yet. He has to present this as their guidance on how they're going to move forward, and that's happening. I'm expecting, they have 30 days to do it. Knowing who Lee Zeldin is as a politician, he ran for governor and tried to run for governor in New York and almost won, by the way. It would not surprise me in the least if we see something here in the next 7 to 10 days. So my question to you is this: if you own a diesel truck or a diesel car, are you excited for the ability that you can now just go to a shop, and shops don't have the risk, or they don't have to look over their shoulder to worry about the EPA coming to take everything that they've worked hard for because they wanted to delete emissions off a vehicle? The same emissions that when the United States government orders those trucks or vehicles, they don't have them. And before you say, oh, no, they don't, TK, everybody has them. I work on military installations, okay? I've seen the F-250s, the F-350s, the Ram 25 and 3500s that we have at the Air Force Base, at Yermo, on the Marine Annex, in San Diego, at the Navy base. And I can tell you this, they're deleted from the factory. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like what I do. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, stay petty, my friends.